You can introduce. This one's Juliet. She's got the light blue collar on. It's harder to see.
Green is Zulu.
Zulu.
And then Echo is dark blue.
Alright, we'll tease them a little bit.
3 girls.
Checking the scent on the floor.
Doing a scent trail there. What is that
And
thing?
one's checking out your shoes again.
Hey, Juliet. Come over this way. What?
Let's get focused over here.
They were playing in the doghouse. Juliet. Hi, Silver. Oh, that bird's gonna go. Looky there.
That's good. So she's chasing her down. You know, I mean, sometimes they'll jump backwards if they're flighty doggies, you know, puppies, and so she went in, even though it was flopping. That's a good sign. Yeah. She got the prey mode. See that? That's a good deal.
You guys
They all have the prey mode. Right now they got the play mode.
Can I get under you?
Yeah.
This floor is cold.
Yeah, they got cold floor too. They're walking. They're used to having these little blankets everywhere. Yeah.
Oh, now we can lick the bird. There we go. Everybody taste the bird.
Yeah, that's all we want. Just anything above, just checking it out is positive. Okay.
So just got a big pile of poop and
Well,
heading for it. There you go. Good job using the grass though, dudes. Where do you have to walk in?
you try to figure out where can I grab a hold of this thing at? Smells so good. But I can smell it right now, so you know that they got to be like, whoa, that
Yeah,
is
that's
one
it.
stinky bird.
I think it's a stinky bird. So, yeah.
Puppies, where you going? Come on, over here. We're wanting to play. Come on, there's no playtime. Okay, well, I'm by myself, so I'm turning this off. That's good enough for